Well, everyone, we are out again. Welcome back. As I said in the last video, we're going to be testing out this freaking rig. We're going to be testing out the trolling motor with the battery, all that kind of stuff. I'm just going to do a quick little video on that, so I'll just jump on the water, get that in. All right, well, she floats. Time to put the trolling motor in. Might actually not be out deep enough. Let me just pull our way out a little bit. I don't know why I said it floats. It's not like I was worried about the kayak floating. That is not this video. I'm not testing out the kayak. Done that before. Use it a fair bit. There we go. She's seated. Drop it down a little bit. Oh, she works. Yes, she frickin' works. Now it's time to see. Do you boot up, Mr. Sonar? Oh yeah, immediately. Immediately. Perfect. So let's reverse. Let's reverse faster. Might as well drop the skeg in the rudder. All right. Let's try forward. She's working. Oh, this thing freaking cruises like you don't even understand. Like that's on 3 out of 5. We're already going 2 miles an hour. That's 4. That's 5. Holy, this thing cranks. This thing cruises. Dude, this thing is sick. I love this freaking kayak. Yes! I'm not the world's worst electrician. I don't care what any of you guys say. Yeah, like I said in that one video where I made this, this is the kind of the reason I wanted to have this, so I have some control. See? Over like that. That's why I wanted that. Well, it works. Absolutely cruising forward and reverse. I can't tell you how excited I am that this thing actually works. Not that I had a doubt that it wouldn't, but it's just so perfect. Also, it's a beautiful day. But thank you guys so much for watching this short little video. I just didn't want to add this to the other one, mostly because I need content. And content can be hard to come by this time of year. I'm actually going to do a little bit of fishing, so if that works out, you will see a video from that. But other than that, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.